Hello 5th class, this is page 132, question 4. Let's look at part B. We have to work out what percentage of sugar is in this carton of orange juice. Okay, there's 24 grams of sugar out of a total weight in the carton of 240 grams. Now, we're using our calculator, so we're doing as before, 24 divided by 240%, and we find out 10%. Let's just look at part D to make sure you know what you're doing. Okay, here's our chocolate chip cookie. There's 18 grams of sugar out of a total weight in the cookie of 45. So our fraction is 18 over 45. Finding the percentage then on the calculator, we're going clear. 18 divided by 45%, that's 40%. So I wonder which of those 4 foods listed has the highest concentration of sugar, and will it surprise you?